my God. Try to see. So that car looks like it was completely underwater.
Completely.
Oh my God. All these cars were completely underwater.
Now there's 200,000 sitting right here
Yeah.
in these first three.
Yeah, it was like, I know this pipe was almost under because, yeah, you can see where it's right, you can see where the water is here. So that is above that car.
It was here.
It was there?
Here.
Oh my God.